Software project management. The topic is managing people, organizational behavior. Managing people. Managing people and organizing teams. Often the most difficult areas in managing software development projects. Most managers are willing to concede the idea that they have got more people worries than technical worries. But they seldom manage the way the macro lister people were. One reason technical experts become managers. Important areas. Selecting right people for the job. Motivating people. Working as a team. Suggested skills for a project manager. Communication skills, listening, persuading. Organizational skills, planning, goal setting, analyzing. Team building skills, empathy, motivation. Leadership skills, set example, energetic, positive, delegates, vision, big picture. Copying skills, flexibility, creativity, patience, persistence. Technological skills, experience, project knowledge, negotiation skills. Negotiates with management to get good team members, enough resources and reasonable goals. Team building skills, empathy, motivation. Leadership skills and copying skills. Then technological skills, negotiation skills. PM's role between management and project team. Management customer might set conflicting impossible requirements and goals for the project. Project team needs goals that are reachable within project schedule. Project manager is a link between the groups and negotiates the resources and the goals. How to build effective teams. Team cohesion, kick-off meeting, collocation, sense of team identity, frequent and free communication, trust building, give frequent easy opportunities for the team to succeed together and celebrate the achievement. Gel teams have fun working together. Organizational behavior. Frederick Taylor, the father of scientific management, tailors 3 basic objectives: to select the best people for the job, to instruct them in best methods, to give financial incentives in the form of piecework. One's problem, group norms. Much of the work of Taylor was in factories and mines working with manual workers. The instruction is best methods involve breaking down a manual task into its component activities, identifying the best way of carrying out those activities and then teaching the workers to copy the approved method. This can be seen as treating the workers a little better than autonomous. The individual workers were encouraged to maximize output by paying them piece rates, example by the units processed. One difficulty with this is that workers learn that increasing output can in fact lead to the piece rate being adjusted in a downward direction. Maximizing output can also be physically and mentally exhausting. Groups of workers therefore tend to converge on the agreed output rate, which does not require a constant 100% effort. Hadron effect. In 1920, series of experiments at the Hadron plant of Western Electric, Chicago, found that simply showing an interest in a group increased productivity. Theory X, there is a need for coercion, direction and control of people at work. Theory 1. Work is as natural as rest of play. The Hawthorne experiments investigated the effect of various factors such as improved lighting on productivity. It was found that the productivity of the control group whose working conditions such as lighting were not changed increased. The fact that someone singled them out for observation improved their motivation. Theory X. The average human has an innate dislike of work. There is a need therefore for coercion, direction and control. People tend to avoid responsibility. Theory Y. Work is as natural as rest of play. External control or coercion are not the only ways of bringing about effort directed towards an organization's end. Commitment to objectives is a function of the rewards associated with their achievement. The average human can learn to accept and further seek responsibility. The capacity to exercise imagination and other creative qualities is widely distributed. Selecting the best people. Bellman distinguishes between eligible and suitable candidates. Eligible candidates have the curriculum vitae which shows the right and required details. Suitable candidates who can actually do the job well. The danger is employing someone who is eligible but not suitable. The best situation is to employ someone who is suitable but not eligible. Thank you.